In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a glow effect in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, go to Select. Choose Subject. Again, go to Select. Choose Select and Mask. Enable Decontaminate Colors. Make sure the Output to option is set to New Layer with Layer Mask, and click OK. Right-click on the Layer Mask thumbnail and choose Apply Layer Mask. Unhide the background layer. Add an exposure adjustment layer and place it on top of the background layer. Drag the exposure slider all the way down to fully decrease exposure. I'm renaming this layer Vine Arm. Press Ctrl and J twice to create two copies of the Vine Arm layer. Hold Ctrl and select all the Vine Arm layers, right-click, and choose Merge Layers. This gives you a clean Vine Arm layer with clearly visible edges. Pick the Quick Selection tool. Use bracket keys to adjust cursor size, and carefully select only the vine. Once the selection is complete, press Ctrl and J to copy it into a new layer. I'm naming this layer Vine. Right-click on the new Vine layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Duplicate the Vine layer by pressing Ctrl and J. Drag the duplicate below the original Vine layer. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and set the radius to 2 pixels. Duplicate the Vine layer again. Keep the Vine layer copies in numerical order so you won't get confused. Double-click the Gaussian Blur and set the radius to 5 pixels. Again, create another duplicate of the Vine layer. Make sure Vine layers are in numerical order. Double-click Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 15 pixels. Create another copy of the Vine layer. Place it in numerical order. Double-click Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 60 pixels. Make another copy of the Vine layer. Place in numerical order. Double-click Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 150 pixels. Again, make another copy of the Vine layer. Place in numerical order. Double-click Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 260 pixels. Make another copy of the Vine layer. Place in numerical order. Double-click Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 460 pixels. Select all Vine layers. Then press Ctrl and G to group them. Set the group's blending mode to screen. I'm renaming the group Vine. Add an exposure adjustment layer. Drag it to the top of the Vine Arm layer. Drag the slider and set exposure to -6. Click the Clip Layer button to clip the exposure layer to the Vine Arm layer. Add a Hue Saturation Adjustment layer. Drag it to the top of the Vine group. Clip it to the Vine group. Feel free to experiment with the sliders until you get the glow effect that looks perfect to you. You can enable Colorize and select your desired color. For this tutorial, I'll go with a bright yellow glow. To match my glow color, simply adjust the sliders and copy the settings I've used. Click the New Layer button to create a new layer. Place this layer below the Vine group. Hold Alt and click between the two layers when the cursor changes to the clip symbol to clip them together. Select the Brush tool and choose Soft Round Brush from General Brushes. Open the color picker and select a color similar to your Vine Glow color, so I'm selecting a bright yellow. Brush softly on the arm to create lighting from the glowing vine. Change the lighting layer's blending mode to screen. Select the exposure layer's mask. Choose Soft Round Brush with foreground color set to black. Set brush opacity to about 50% or as needed. Brush along the lighting edges to reduce the exposure in those areas, making the lighting appear more realistic. Right-click on the lighting layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Double-click the lighting layer to open Blending Options. Under Current Layer, hold Alt and drag the right slider to the left as shown. Under Underlying Layer, hold Alt and drag the left slider to the right as shown. Click OK. This naturally blends the lighting with the arm. Go to Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation, Enable Colorize. You can adjust the sliders to match the arm lighting color with the main vine glow color. I'm naming this layer Lighting. Select the topmost layer in the Layers panel. Press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and E to create a merged copy of all visible layers. Go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Set contrast to 30. Highlights to 4. Whites to 31. Blacks -30. Temperature 7. Tint 24. Dehaze 25. Set noise reduction to 50. Under Optics, set Vignette to -100. Once you're done, click OK. That's it! You've successfully created a glowing effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.